Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Wow. This is amazing. What is here is all of new cases for all of my phone. iPhone 12 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy A55, Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, all of this. New cases. I will make an unboxing of this, all of this on my YouTube channel. Subscribe. I want to start this job by unboxing new cases of Samsung Galaxy A55. Look at that. I bought this today and I want to test this with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Can you see this? This is number 8, case number 8. Look at how it look like. Can you see this? Wow, not bad. I put unbreakable glass screen protector on this and it works. As you can see, no problem. This case works also. It's not the clickable case that I use, but you can use this. It's protected really well your phone, and this is cool. Now, I want to test the next case with you. Let's go to my studio and see all of this together. Get ready. Okay, welcome back, bro. Let's come and share. As you can see, I have all of these cases and I'm ready to make the unboxing right now with you and the test. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. So I will start by removing face case. Okay, nice. Wait a minute. Okay, wow, it's not easy to remove it, but you don't know. You can see I have iPhone 12 Pro Max camera lens protector on this, and it works very well. Nice. Can you see this? Not bad. Now, let's go for the brand new cases. Well done. So let's remove all of this. Let's start by all of this. As you can see, the same cases but different colors. Can you see this? Same cases but different color. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, good. Now let's go for the test. Good. I have the first case. You can see. Let's go for the unboxing right now. Okay, nice. As you can see, boom. Remove it. Can you see this? It remove it. Look at that, I can see my finger under. Wow, what is this? I don't know. But this is how it looks like. Okay. Nice. Good. Buttons. This is how it looks like. And great. Let's go for the first test. Okay. Put this on it. Very easy to set up. Nice, as you can see. This is how it looks like. I want to turn. Boom. This is how it looks like. I don't know if it's on good position. but this is how it looks like. Look at the color. You can see under. Look at under. Can you see this? Wow, the feeling is not bad, and it looks comfortable on my hand now. It looks very comfortable on my hand now. I bought this because of this. Can you see this? Comfort, beautiful, different design, very different than what we usually see. You can see Case Pro. Case Pro, seriously? Okay, I love this. Not bad. It's click button. It's clickable. Volume up, volume down. You can see everything work. Everything work perfectly. Wow, perfectly. No problem, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful again, bro. Damn. Wow. This is just amazing. It's comfortable. The feeling is good also. I love. Okay. Good to start. Okay, this is the first case. Let's go for the next case. Black. Okay. So let's remove it. Remove it. And as you can see, it's black. It's the same model but different colors. So let's see. Wow, what do you think? What do you think, bro? The camera is here. I don't know is on good position, but I don't see the problem. Everything look great. Button, very clickable button, and unlock. Volume up, volume down. Everything look great. And look at that. Wow, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. What do you think? Great. Very, very great. Pattern when you touch. The feeling is just different. Wow. Okay, good. Let's go for the next. The next case. The next case is here. Color blue. It's like my phone. Blue. Okay, cool. Blue color. Wow. Wow. It's beautiful on real life. It's very, very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful, bro. Look at the side. It's beautiful. Blue. Latest. I decided to choose this color because of the color of my phone. Wow. Look at that, bro. It's definitely beautiful. Color blue. Wow. It looks great. Wow. I love this. I love this. Not bad. Anything is not bad. What do you think? Beautiful. Still comfortable. Button clickable. I love this also. Nice design. Everything look good. And I have another one. Wow. Let's remove it. Like a movie. Can you see this, bro? Can you see how it look like? Wow. I love the color. Not bad. It's different than what I usually use. But I decided to buy this and test it. Now, bim. Look at what I have. Wow, it's beautiful. What do you think? It's beautiful. I want to turn. Damn. Wow, I love this. I love this. It's definitely beautiful, bro. Amazing. Amazing. What do you think? I'm so happy to have these new cases. Very, very happy. Wow. Now we can start testing all of this. Let's start by this case. So we have a black version. Can you see? There are two versions. Version blue and version black. Can you see this? The same. Latest black version. I love this. It's like this. Can you see this? This is for car. Can you see this? You put this on your table or on your car, something. It's the same texture. This is just amazing. So let's put this on it. Get ready. So let's go. Nice. The problem is with this case is that it is not clickable. You need to change something to make this clickable. But what can you do? You can use something and put this here and here. Just a little. As you can see, it's like, okay, put something here and here. And this is all to make this clickable. Like what? Can you see this? Can you see this? This is what I have done because this case is not clickable. Wow. This is why I decided to buy new cases. Okay? But you have possibility to use all of these cases also. Can you see this? Can you see this? Border like what? Let's test this one. Okay. Wait a minute. Case. I need a case. So, can you see this? Okay. The inside is soft. Good feeling. Good feeling. This is the best feeling. And beam. Can you see this? This is camera. And when you turn, boom. Volume up and volume down appear here in front of you. You can touch it. You can feel it directly. Yes. Amazing feeling. But sometimes when I put my finger here, it's like I need something to protect this zone. Yes, but it's beautiful, still beautiful, still useful. I can use this. I bought new cases because I want something new to protect this zone also. For me, it's not 100% secure. Even beautiful. Okay, this is a beautiful case. But what do you think? Are you serious? This is one of my favorite cases because of the design, the color. But I don't like this. I'm not fan of this. What do you think? Blue and blue. Let's go. Can you see this? This is one of my favorite. Yes. This is one of my favorite case. Definitely. Wow. Wow. Amazing. What do you think, bro? What do you think? What do you think? Not bad. And I love this. Tell me what you think about this because I have a lot of cases now. What is the best case for you? Tell me everything in the comment space, and I will see you later for more videos on GNANGSTUDIO for the YouTube channel. God bless you, and let's go for the next video.